Hello guys. With the help of ChatGPT, we can create a defect, login defect. It is very faster. It is very quickly we can create a defect. I can say it is very fast with the help of ChatGPT. I can show you how we are going to create a defect with the ChatGPT. So go here. So I'm picking one more chat. Go here, create defect, defect where error with invalid email ID, email ID add steps to reproduce. So I'm giving create a defect. So see, so within 1 second, within 30 seconds, you are able to create the defect. Very fast, very quick. It is giving a lot of information. Create defect where error with invalid email ID. Say defect report invalid email ID error. So invalid email title is invalid email error during user registration. Okay. When user enters an invalid email ID, so description we are giving. What is the severity? It is high priority. Based on the severity, development team picks the priority. So environment details, Windows 10, Google Chrome application version, database, preconditions, steps to reproduce. Yes, very beautifully written. Expect result, actual result, attachment, screenshot or video, error loss. Okay, reported by automatically comes in zero date. So this is how you can create a bug. Very quick, right?